Automated precision is key. These robotic arms trim the watch cases, with laser scanners verifying accuracy in real time.
The cavitation levels on tank 3 are fluctuating slightly.
Agreed. Let's run a secondary spectroscopic analysis on that batch.
In this precision micromechanics zone, ultra-fine drills pierce the titanium cases with surgical accuracy.
Discs undergo a rigorous multi-stage polishing process, ensuring optical clarity before final inspection by our technicians.
Tiny balance wheels spin on microspindles as automated cutters shape each rim with incredible precision.
Flow rate remains steady at 0.5.
Good. Monitor the viscosity levels closely this cycle.
The rotation sequence is holding steady at maximum depth.
Good. Let's maintain this for another 45 seconds.
A marvel of modern engineering, this facility ensures the constant, seamless flow of luxury goods.